In this video, I'm going to show you how to stream the audio from your DAW to Zoom meetings in a PC. First, you need to install Voicemeter Banana. You can download this from their official website linked in the description. Now, go to the Zoom web client and log into your account. Now go to the settings. Choose In Meeting Advanced. Scroll down, and enable the original sound and stereo sound. I have already enabled them in my account. Now go to the Zoom PC client. Go to Settings. Select Audio Settings. Now you can see the option for enabling the stereo sound in your settings. Enable the stereo sound. Now go to the advanced options. Enable the original sound from here. Make sure all the audio processing is disabled. Now, open the Voicemeter Banana. Now, select the main audio output from here. Now, open your DAW. I'm using Avid Protools. After it opens, go to Setup, select Playback Engine. Change Playback Engine to Voicemeter Auxiliary Virtual ASIO. I have already selected. Press OK. Now you can create your sessions. Now I'm going to import an audio file to this session to check the audio. Now open the Zoom PC client. Go to Settings. Go to Audio. Now select the microphone as Voicemeter auxiliary output. Select speakers as Voicemeter input. Do not select Voicemeter auxiliary input. Now, go to Voicemeter Banana. Change B1 to B2 in the auxiliary virtual ASIO channel. Now go to your DAW and press play. You can see the audio signals coming out of the DAW in the Voicemeter. Now go to your Zoom audio settings and make sure everything is working. Make sure that you have disabled the B1 routing in Voicemeter VAIO channel. Now go to the hardware input and change the routing to B1. Make sure to disable the A1 routing. Now select the microphone you are going to use for talking. Make sure to select the mono option if you are using a mono microphone. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching.